Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see the Johnson's ring counter. So in the previous video we have seen the simple ring counter, but here in this video we are going to see the Johnson's ring counter. So ring counter is one of the applications of shift register, and in the ring counter we have seen there are only 4 combinations of output, but here in the Johnson's ring counter there are 8 combinations, unique combinations, okay, that we are going to see how those 8 combinations are generated, okay, and it is more it is better than the simple ring counter, okay. So we will see how it is better than simple ring counter. So the connection diagram is shown here. So in this diagram also the 4 flip-flops are used. You can use any number of flip-flops here. There is no compulsion that we have to always use the 4 flip-flops only, okay. You can use any number of flip-flops here, okay. Now see the connection diagram. The Q3 is connected to D2, Q2 is connected to D1, Q1 is connected to D0, and Q0 bar is connected to D3 back again. So in the simple ring counter we had used the Q0 to D3, but here in Johnson's ring counter the complement of Q0 is connected to input of FF3, that is D3, okay, and which makes somewhat different than simple ring counter, okay. So again the connection diagram we will see the clock is connected to all the clock inputs of flip-flop, and the next input is, that is ORI, that is overriding input. So overriding input means the other input will be ignored when ORI will be activated, okay. So irrespective of other inputs, that is D input or clock input, the ORI will affect on the output of flip-flop. That's why the name is given ORI, overriding input, okay. So here overriding input is connected to clear pins of all the flip-flops, okay. So in simple ring counter we had connected ORI to preset of first flip-flop, that is MSB flip-flop FF3, but here we have connected ORI to all the clear inputs of all the flip-flops. So here let us see, or let us try to understand how does this Johnson's ring counter works. So initially we have to apply the ORI signal to all the flip-flops. So here ORI is active low signal, or this clear bar is active low signal, and to take the effect of all the flip-flop outputs we should apply logic 0 on its clear bar pins, okay. So ORI should make 0, okay, 0, and irrespective of clock signal, that means don't care, Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0 will be 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, okay. Now I will write here Q0 bar also, because the Q0 bar is going to apply the input of FF3, that is D3. So here Q0 bar will be what? 1. The Q0 will not be given to any flip-flop. Instead of Q0 we have connected Q0 bar. We are using Q0 bar signal, and that's why this Q0 bar will be given as an input to D3. So we will not consider Q0 status, but we will consider Q0 bar status here, okay. So now we will start to apply the clock signals. So for that purpose ORI should be disabled, that means clear bar pin should be disabled. So that means we should apply logic 1 on ORI pin. Clock should be applied as falling edge, okay. So this is our first clock, and if you look at this logic states, then this 1 is waiting at D3, this 0 is waiting at D2, this 0 is waiting at D1, and this Q1's output is waiting at D0, okay. So here when we apply the clock signal, that means I am talking about the falling edge of the clock, that time this 1 will be shifted at Q3, then this 0 will be shifted at Q2, this 0 will be shifted at Q1, and this 0 will be shifted at Q0, okay. So if Q0 is 0, then Q0 bar must be 1, right. Now when we apply the next clock again, second clock, so this one will be waiting at D3, okay. Then this one will arrive at Q3, this one will arrive at Q2, this 0 will be arrived at Q1, this 0 will be shifted at Q0, and due to this 0, that means Q0 is 0, then Q0 bar must be 1, okay. Now these are shifted at like this, okay. So next this one will be applied at D3. So on the applying of clock signal while ORI is equal to 1, this one will be shifted at Q3, this one will be shifted at Q2, this one will be shifted at Q1, this 0 will be shifted at Q0, and due to this 0, the Q0 bar will become 1, okay. So this way, if you go on applying the clock signals, the outputs will be shifted towards the right side, okay, and the complement of Q0, that means Q0 bar, will be applied at D3, okay. So now let us see once again. When we apply the next clock, I will directly write here, this one will be shifted at this one, and this 1 1 1 will be shifted here, 1 1 1, and due to this one, that means Q0 is equal to 1, Q bar 0 is Q0 bar will become 0, okay. So due to this, now this 0 will be applied to D3, and hence this 0 will arrive at Q3 when we apply the negative pulse on clock signal, and this 1 1 1 will be shifted at the right side, 1 1 1. Now due to this one, the Q0 bar will become 0, okay. Now this 0 will be applied to D3, and while ORI equal to 1, and when next clock is applied, this 0 will be shifted at Q3, 0, and then 0 1 1 will be shifted at Q2, Q1 and Q0, 0 1 and 1. Now due to this one, the Q0 bar will become 0, okay. Now this 0 will be applied to D3, and while OR equal to 1, clock is applied, Q3 equal to 0, 0 0 1 will be shifted here, 0 0 and 1. Due to this 1, the Q0 bar will become 0, okay. And when we apply the next clock, once again 1 clock is applied, so this 0 will be applied here, and due to this clock signal, this 0 will be shifted at Q3, then 0 0 0 will be shifted at Q2, Q1 and Q0. This 0, if Q0 is equal to 0, then Q0 bar will become 1, okay. So we are getting here the first combination, that is 0 0 0 0, okay. So this first combination is repeated here, okay. So if you apply the clock once again, then you will get again the second combination, okay, and hence you are getting total here 8 combinations, right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, total 8 combinations you are getting due to this Q0 bar signal connection with D3. So here total number of combinations will be what? Twice of number of flip-flops, okay. So this is much better than a simple ring counter, okay. So I hope you understood this truth table working. So now we will see in the form of timing diagram, okay. So initially what we do, we activate ORI signal, or we want to clear the flip-flops output, okay, and for that purpose we generate the negative pulse on ORI pin. So here negative pulse is generated, and we will maintain this ORI at high for long time, okay. Now when the negative pulse is applied, that means when falling edge is applied on ORI, that time Q3, Q2, Q1, Q0 are 0 0 0 0. So 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, now here ORI signal has been 1, okay, for next 8 or 9 clock pulses. Okay, so even if you don't make ORI equal to 0, then also these combinations will just go on continuing. Okay, so now when clock is applied, that time what will happen? The Q0 bar, so here Q0 bar is not taken, so you can see here, so this one will be shifted here at the Q3, then this 0, 0, 0, that means Q3, Q2, Q1 are actually what? D2, D1 and D0. Okay, you can say like that. D2, D1 and D0 will be shifted at Q2, Q1 and Q0. So 1, 0, 0 will be arrive at 1, 0 and 0. So here Q0 is what? 0. Okay. Next when we apply the next clock, 1, 1, 0, 0. So 1, 1. Okay. So this will be 1. Then 1, 1, 0, 0. 1. Then 1. Then 0 and then 0. Okay, in the next clock, that is the fourth clock, 1, 1, 1, 0. So 1, 1, 1 and 0. Okay, so again in the next clock, 1, 1, 1, 1. So 1, 1, 1 and 1. Okay, so in the fifth next clock, sixth clock, 0, 1, 1, 1. So 0, 1, 1 and 1. Okay, in the seventh clock, 0, 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 1. And in the eighth clock, 0, 0, 0, 1. 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, in the ninth clock, 0, 0, 0, 0. So 0, 0, 0 and 0. Okay, so if you continue this applying the clock signals, then you will get again the same. That means it is in the sequential and circular fashion. That means ring counter. Okay, so after this signal, you will get again definitely this signal. So 1, 0, 0, 0. Okay, so you can draw here 1, 0, 0 and 0. So this signal, this sequence is going to repeat here. Okay, so this is again much better than simple ring counter because it is having total 8 number of combinations. Okay, so I hope you understood this Johnson's ring counter. So if you liked this video, then please click on like button, share it with your friends, and if you are not subscribed to this channel, then please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.